Hi there, I'm Alexander Sims. I'm a BMW Factory GT Driver driving the brand new BMW M8 GTE in America and Europe. And here are 10 things you might not have known about me. We're here at my 18th century barn. We're developing it and trying to utilise the heritage of the building, but also bringing some nice new future thinking, efficient technologies into the home. My wife and I are doing this project together. At one moment, things were hanging in the balance between me and her because on our wedding day, I actually forgot the rings at the church momentarily. It was touch and go for a minute. Another little known fact that many people don't know about me is my nickname as a child was Dips, and that made it onto my first race helmet. One big ambition of mine away from racing is to start up a local cafe for homeless people where I would employ and support them to help them turn their lives around. Family is really important to me. I really enjoy spending time with my 2 kids and my wife. A great moment in my career was winning the Autosport Young Driver of the Year award in 2008. It really helped catapult me to where I am now. My proudest racing moment certainly has to be the Spa 24 Hours win. It was the first big win that I had for BMW. The most challenging moment in my career was when I broke my arm skiing. I was out of racing for 9 months and at times unsure whether I'd even come back, to be honest. And actually it left me with this Harry Potter-like scar that I've got on my forehead, which reminds me every time I look in the mirror. One of my big goals in racing is to win the Le Mans 24 Hours. It's simply the biggest endurance race in the world. To be going there this year in the new M8 GTE is an awesome challenge, and I'm really looking forward to it. Away from racing, I have a real interest in future technologies. I drive my BMW i3 and I'm the chairman for the Zero Carbon World charity in my spare time.